Once you finish these 8 colors right here found in the assignment instructions, you will have from top to bottom red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, yellow, orange, and purple. Now, to the left of center, we have our shades. Shades is where we add black. That's a vocabulary word you need to know, shades. To the right, we have tints, Tints, and that's where we add white to it to make it brighter. So from the far right side, this is adding a lot of brightness. And then remember, this is on a brightness scale, is really how we should ultimately look at it. We have hue, saturation, and brightness, or they used to call it value. That is from 100% down to zero. This is up there at a large percentage, and this is down there at a low percentage on the brightness scale. Now, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a grayscale row here. So we're going to use um, the color black as the base color. Black in the RGB values, we have 000 because 000 is no light. Black is the absence of light. Remember that concept. So in order to do this, we're going to come over to the rectangle tool in the toolbar, click on that, come up to where it has the options, and for fill, you're going to click on that. Come over to the color picker and type in those values for black: 0, 0, 0, absence of color. Click on OK. And then don't worry about filling this in here. You're just going to come down to the bottom and click, single click. And then you're going to type in your width and height values here because it will have changed at some point. 1 IN for inch, 1 IN for inch. And then all of these, of course, should be 0. Click OK. Now we're going to use our move tool, or you can just click the letter V to get the move tool and click and drag that to the far left right here. Click and drag that, come over to the layers and drag it to the top. If it's not already at the top. Now that is my top because that percentages doesn't matter. I'm going to make that go away. And go ahead and copy that, duplicate it 9 times all the way across. I'll do one here where we do Command J. I'll click and drag that to the right. I'll finish that, you finish it up, and then go on to the last video.